I just wanted to know that you have completed your MBBS from here,
Yes.
Masters in Bachelor
Cardiovascular.
in Medicine and Bachelor in Surgery from this Bashkir
Bashkir
University.
State Medical University.
Okay. After that, what you did? After that, you went for residency, or you directly you chose this Masters in
I understood. I just when I completed my MBBS over here, which we have MD over here in European nations, as we all know,
Okay.
I chose to continue my education further here because we don't have as many opportunities in India due to the number of students and everything and lack of seats. So I continued
Yes,
here
yes.
and I finished my residency in cardiovascular surgery a couple of years back, and I'm pursuing my cardiovascular surgery, PhD in cardiovascular surgery,
Okay.
and hopefully I'll be finishing it by the end of the next year, by the end of
Okay.
by the end of next year. That's it, because this was the better option for me
Yeah.
and I had a way,
Okay.
and I've been living here for like past 13 years, so it's like home to
Okay.
me.
Okay. So after doing MBBS like MD from here, cardiovascular surgery is of how much duration? I mean,
Cardiovascular is for 2 years.
for 2 years.
2 years and fellowship. What we have residency, then we have fellowship. We have
Okay.
2 years of residency, 3 years of fellowship.
Okay.
So I just continued it here because this
For
was
5
much
years,
better. Yeah.
in 5 years you became a cardiovascular surgeon.
You would say that I became like 2.5 years.
2.5 years.
Yes,
Because after that internship was there, or
internship is for 1 year,
okay.
and then you have 2 years of what we say residency.
Residency.
Period for 2 years.
No, if someone is an MBBS from India
Mm-hmm.
and he wants to pursue his PG course, just like MD,
What?
MS, which is called there in India.
Hmm.
So, which course he should go here for, equivalent to that?
And he doesn't want to do surgical branch. He wants to go for non-surgical.
We do have
Like
many
medicine.
specialities over here. Many branches are there. Our university is one of the leading in innovation and technology and research work in whole Russia, in the European obviously continent over here. We have different programs. It depends on the individual what they're opting for.
He is interested for
For example, if
masters
someone
in
is
general medicine.
Interest for general medicine.
Yeah, they can go for general medicine. They can continue internal medicine, which they go
Internal
for.
medicine,
Yeah,
yes.
2 years. 2 years of internal medicine.
And after that 1 year internship,
1 year internship either here or in India.
Or
Depends
in
on
India.
them.
Okay.
As per
Okay.
depending the way the student is. Indian student is coming
Indian
over
student
here.
is
He's
coming.
coming with internship,
Yeah.
right? So we are
so what would be the
Yes,
medium of instructions for
with
them?
internship.
What would be the medium of instructions for them? Like, would be they getting instructions in English, or they have to learn Russian?
Now there are two things. This question is like it's bit complicated. When we ask this question, it's very easy to ask a plain question. It's in English or Russian. We need to understand that doesn't matter in India where we are. Punjab, Maharashtra, Gujarat, different states, they speak the native people, they speak their own language, right? That's the same way we have patients here who speak Russian, Bashkiri, and Tatarsky, and different language
Different
dialects, right?
languages.
So we do have to learn Russian as well.
Okay.
We do have English medium as well as we have Russian. So we would say that to have a better grasp and obviously understanding of any subject, learning a new language wouldn't hurt. It just improves your CV and it's good for obviously career itself.
Means both the languages are equally important here.
Yes. It's
For
not just here, everywhere it's important because we have to communicate with the patient as well, right?
Yes, yes.
That's
Because
good.
in residency you have to communicate with the patients only.
Exactly.
You have to attend the seminars and you have to
Exactly.
attend the lectures. That can be in English language, but when the question comes to attend the patients, then the language, regional language, it's important.
Now, for example, if you're going for general medicine, for example, you do have to all the pharmaceutical terminology or the diseases,
Yes.
everything is one and the same, almost 70, 80, 90% up to 90%. The teachers which we have over here, they do fly Germany, they go US, they go UK, they do seminars over there, they take master classes of those teachers over there, those doctors. We have good teachers and doctors flying from Germany visiting our hospitals. Our rector, he has good grasp of everything. My mentor, he has a good grasp of language. Everything comes to the will power of the student. If they are willing to do, they will do. If you serve them diamonds in a plate and they choose something else, then we won't be responsible for that. That's why the will is very important. you will get opportunities. We here in this university have Da Vinci robotic surgery, which we hands-on practice from third year.
Okay.
From the
Hands-on practice from
hands-on
third year.
practice. How many Da Vinci machines you can tell me Delhi or Punjab has?
No, there's no.
And we have
Yeah.
government hospitals
Yeah.
doing. We conducted a surgery of mitral valve replacement surgery in our department. The cost of surgery was roughly around 9.3 million, right?
Okay.
93 lakh rupees.
Okay.
We used 3 stents over there, 3 stents and a valve to replace it. The complete cost was paid by the government in the insurance of the government itself.
Okay.
And 3 main departments, Petersburg and our department, BSMU, Bashkir State Medical University, and our team, all doctors were present. It was a historical surgery because patient was 83, doing such a great surgery,
Yeah.
valve replacement, and most important, it was endovascular surgery. That is
Oh
the
my
main,
God.
main thing. We
Yeah.
don't have to open heart and everything.
Yes. Yes.
So that is the main thing. I'm doing my thesis in endovascular as well. So
Okay.
that is a very big thing. I don't think any hospital in India at this moment is gonna give that exposure.
Yeah. Only
Which
some
we
of
have
the
to.
big corporate private hospitals like Medanta or Sargangaram, they are performing robotic surgery.
And I'm not, don't misunderstand.
They
I'm
have
not
just
trying to
started.
say wrong. I'm just
yeah,
saying
they have
that
just started 2-3 years back robotic surgery.
we don't have that
Yeah.
opportunity due to, you can say anything, lack of infrastructure you say, or technology or willpower, or I don't know, there are many aspects in India we can't blame. So I'm not blaming, this is not a
Yeah.
blame game. I'm just saying, as the population over here is less, it's roughly 1.5 million, right? So this city is roughly around 700 kilometers, 613 to be precise, which is as big as or twice as big as Mumbai itself.
Yeah.
The population 1.5 million. We have more opportunities.
Yeah.
We get hands-on practice. Only rule is that you come. Operating department, our department teaches students from first year.
Okay.
I guess work over there. We take students training from instruments till the sutures of all the organs, anastomosis,
Okay.
everything we start from first year.
So
We
right
have a
from
group of
first
like
year.
40-15 students.
Okay.
They practice on daily basis. They come after classes till 7 p.m.
Okay.
We stay in the department and we practice hands-on. The goal is to learn and teach.
That's the more important
Yeah.
thing. In medicine, that's the more important thing. If you are getting hands-on from from the very first year, that is the amazing thing.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
that's what I'm saying. Here we have opportunity as we have the population.
Yeah.
There is a huge difference. We no blame game, or I'm not saying disrespecting anyone. I'm just saying that's why I choose when I'm getting hands-on practice.
So
don't
robotic
mind.
surgery here is in all department or only in cardiovascular department?
Actually, we have simulation centers as well.
Simulation center. Okay.
From a third year, when we have summer practices, we do go for simulation centers. We have small simulation center in my department on second floor itself.
Okay.
We do those centers are for those students who are willing, who are pushing their limits, and then they reach there.
Okay.
Now, if a student who wants to just fly over here and stay and enjoy and go away, I would suggest that do not come here.
Yeah.
Don't waste hard-earned money of the parents.
Yes.
Don't waste our time, not the university's
That's
time,
true,
because
that's
it's a problem for everyone. And then they blame everyone, the people who are taking the admission, who are working over here, who are working with them, everything comes in.
Okay.
If you want to study, for everyone, if there is a question, if you want to study, come to BSMU. If you do not want to study, you can go anywhere else, because this place is for education.
Thank you.
I'm very strict.
Yeah. Thank you
Follow
so
rules.
much. Thank you so much. What's
My
your good
pleasure.
name?
My name is Dr. Sheikh Masood Mehboob Chaudhary.
Dr. Sheikh Masood Mehboob.
Sheikh Masood Mehboob.
And where are you from in India?
I'm from India.
This place.
I intend to say that I'm Indian and I'm from India,
But which
because
state?
there's this division. People say, "No, I'm standing in Russia." So just you're asking, I'm from Maharashtra.
Oh,
I'm from
we are
s-
also from Maharashtra.
I'm from a small city known as Latur.
Okay, Latur.
Cabinet Minister Deshmukh sir.
I've
Yes,
been there.
yes,
yes.
I've been there in Latur.
So, I've born in India, brought up in Russia, I would say. Because 13 years I've been living
13
in.
years.
Yeah. So
We
I'm
have,
from
we have done a
Latur.
big seminar last year in Latur.
I might have known, because I do have some entries as well. We know what's moving sometimes. That's a good thing. Latur is an educational hub.
Yes,
It's
yes.
an educational point,
Yeah.
and it's a good center for us.
So now
Can you
what
say
is the
something?
message?
Do you still remember Marathi? or you have forgotten
हो,
coming
नाही,
here?
नाही, नाही. मराठी तर बोलावीच लागते ना.
Can you say something for our Maharashtrian students there in Maharashtra about this institute,
Yeah.
about the studies?
मराठी
please?
मुलांसाठी मी इतकं सांगू शकतो सध्या बघा की वेळ वाया घालू नका. बघा तुमचे मार्क्स जर चांगले असतील 300-400 प्लस मार्क्स जर असतील तुमचे तर तुम्ही रिपीट करा, नक्की 100% रिपीट करा. एक अटेम्प्ट तर बनतो. पण जर तुम्ही 4-4 अटेम्प्ट रिपीट करता आणि प्रत्येक वर्षी तुमचे मार्क्स कमी होत जात आहे तर लॉजिक नाही याच्यामध्ये. बेटर इज दॅट तुम्ही या इकडे क्लिअर युअर एक्झाम्स, त्याच्यानंतर नीट प्रिपेअर करा, MCA प्रिपेअर करा, दॅट इज नॅशनल एक्झामिनेशन.
Yeah.
ते प्रिपेअर करा. ते कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह परीक्षा नाही आहे, ते क्वालिफाईंग परीक्षा आहे. डिफरन्स असतो क्वालिफाईंग परीक्षेमध्ये पास होणे आणि
Very nice.
कॉम्पिटेटिव्ह परीक्षेमध्ये
Yeah.
पास होणे, एक डिफरन्स आहे. आणि जर पैसे असतील तर मग रमेश अप्पा तर बसलेच आहे तिथं. तसं काही नाही आहे. पण आय वुड सजेस्ट एक वेळ जर ट्राय करता करा, नाहीतर
How is
You must choose.
How is
BSME.
Baskir then?
Bashkir is the best option and we are living here. आम्ही इथेच राहतो. माझ्यासोबत मराठमोळे आमचे खूप आहेत. मराठवाडीचे नेमकं आहेत आमच्या सोबत जे मुलं आहेत आणि शेतकऱ्यांची मुलं जास्त आमच्यापाशी जे शिकणार आहेत. माझ्यापाशी क्रासनी डिप्लोमा म्हणजे एक रेड डिप्लोमा असतो की पूर्ण 6 वर्ष जे आपलं आहे ना ते 100% रिझल्ट देणारे जे माणूस स्टुडंट्स असतात त्यांना रेड डिप्लोमा दिला जातो. एक
Great diploma. Yes.
सेपरेटली त्यांच्यासाठी ना. तर तसे मुलं माझ्याकडे सध्या तयार आहेत. जे अनाटॉमीमध्ये सध्या जिथं 10, 15, 20 मुलं फेल झाले तिथं ते पहिल्या टर्नमध्ये जाऊन 100% परीक्षा दिली. भारतामध्ये अनाटॉमीची परीक्षा देणे आणि इथं अनाटॉमीची परीक्षा देणे खूप फरक आहे. खूप फरक आहे. तसं नाही आहे. तेवढंच नाही की सिस्टमिक रिजनल येते, ॲक्च्युअल परीक्षा खूप हार्ड असते. त्याच्यानंतर जे तुम्ही अनाटॉमी जे आपल्यापेक्षा भारतामध्ये होणार असते फर्स्ट इयरमध्ये रिजनल अनाटॉमी, रिजनल अनाटॉमी प्लस ऑपरेटिव्ह सर्जरी आम्ही घेतो 3rd इयरमध्ये माझ्या डिपार्टमेंटमध्ये.
Yeah.
तर ते आम्हाला इम्पॅक्ट माहिती आहे. शिकायचं असेल मुलांना पुढाकार घ्या, विचार करू नका. पण जर फिरायला यायचं असेल तर लोणावळा येणं जाऊन रेस्ट करून या.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Doctor.
माय प्लेजर.
Thank you.